Understanding back pain from desk work.
Prolonged sitting can lead to back pain, especially for those working from home at a desk. Hours in a chair often strain the lower back and compress the spine. Simple, regular movement can make a difference. In this guide, we'll explore gentle, effective exercises you can do at home to help relieve tension and prevent pain.
Essential warm-up movements.
Warming up before exercising is crucial. Start by rolling your shoulders backward in slow circles. Then gently turn your head side to side. Next, try marching in place for 1 to 2 minutes to increase blood flow. These easy movements prepare your back and body for the stretches ahead, reducing the risk of strain.
Lower back stretch, seated forward bend.
Sit on the edge of your chair with feet flat. Take a deep breath and slowly bend forward, reaching toward your toes. Allow your back and neck to relax. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling a gentle stretch in your lower back and hamstrings. Return upright slowly. Repeat 2 to 3 times. This helps relieve pressure from hours of sitting.
Spinal mobility, cat-cow on chair.
Stay seated, feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your knees. As you inhale, gently arch your back, lifting your chest and looking up. As you exhale, round your back, tucking your chin toward your chest. Repeat this cat-cow stretch 8 to 10 times. It increases spinal flexibility and eases stiffness from desk work.
Hip flexor stretch, standing lunge.
Stand and take a step back with your right foot. Bend your left knee, keeping both feet hip-width apart and hands on your hips. Gently lower your hips forward until you feel a stretch at the front of the right hip. Hold for 20 seconds, switch sides, and repeat. Tight hip flexors are common from sitting and can contribute to back pain.
Tips for daily prevention.
Move regularly throughout the day. Stand up, stretch, or walk every 30 to 60 minutes. Adjust your chair and desk for good posture. Keep feet flat, knees at 90 degrees, and your monitor at eye level. Consider using a small cushion for lower back support. Consistent small changes can make a big difference in preventing back pain.